What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. Don't really know a whole lot about them. I'm gonna try to get a whitelist spot for a quick flip just to make a little bit of money. But before I'm gonna show you the projects, I need to state something. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So first, let's take a look at Dune Analytics. We haven't been looking at OpenSea trading volume. So if we go to Dune Analytics, as you can see, we're kind of going sideways. Some days, better days, like for example, 16, 20, 25 million trading volume, and some days not even 10 or barely just above 10. Since we're in the bear market, trading volume is just going sideways. So the first project, it's called Lucid. It's a free mint, and as you can see on their Twitter page, you can find the artist, collab, and they have Discord, and they also have a pre-mint link. So if we scroll down, as you can see right here, this post was posted on September 20th, so just a few days ago, and it's already has 11,000 likes and 11,000 retweets, but it's just because of this pre-mint link. So if you press on it, you can register into Raffle and hopefully can get yourself a whitelist spot. And this collection is going to be minting on September 27th, so there is not a whole lot of time, but there is still time to get a whitelist spot for this project. And I think this is going to be a decent project for a quick flip, or if you do a research and you really like the team, you can hold this project for a long time. Then the second project, it's called Mazeverse or Mazeverse, and this collection is going to have 8,888 NFTs, free mint. Then you can see founder right here, and then if we scroll down, they have a link tree. We're gonna look at that in a few. And then if we scroll down more, as you can see, their posts getting decent interaction. And then if we scroll down more, again, this is like a little teaser. Also has 200, almost 300 likes and a little over 150 retweets, and same thing, other tweets down here. And if we open their link tree, as you can see, they already have some NFTs. I think they pre-minted before. Then they have Twitter account, they have their website, Discord, Maze Map, Instagram, and this is the actual founder. So looks like he's doxed, he's not anonymous. So most likely this is not a digit mint. And you can find more information by going to their website. And the last project, it's called LazyFoxesNFT, free mint. The mint collection is going to be 5,222 Lazy Foxes. Discord coming soon. And I don't know what this project is going to be about, but as you can see right here in their bio, it says you have to make them work to earn your LFox. And it looks like you're going to be able to either stake them or maybe play a game or something to earn some kind of tokens. Then if we scroll down, this is a free mint. As you can see, they've been collabing with different alpha or NFT groups like this one right here. If we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent interactions. And then another, this is NFT projects. They're collabing with this one as well. This is for whitelist spot giveaway. So it's getting decent interaction, not a whole lot. But with that being said, if you're looking for something to quick flip, or maybe just to get a project and try their ecosystem, if they will actually have one at this time, there is not a whole lot of information about this project, but I think it's easy to get a whitelist spot for this project as well. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.